Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve one interesting equation given by t to the power 9 plus t to the power 6 equals to 36. So it is of order 9, or we can say degree 9. So here we seek the real solutions. So what real solution of t will satisfy this equation? So we'll see. So first of all we can write t to the power 9 as t to the power 3 whole to the power 3 plus t to the power 6 as t to the power 3 whole to the power 2 and 36 as it is. Okay. Now, once again what we can do is so these are the properties of indices. We can write that a to the power m whole to the power n. This already we know. Still I'm writing here. A to the power m whole to the power n can be written as a to the power n whole to the power m, and both answer is a to the power mn. Okay. So that is why we are able to write t to the power 3 whole to the power 3 plus t to the power 3 whole to the power 2 equals to 36. Now what we can do, we can take, since t to the power 3, we can see the first term also t to the power 3 is there and second term also t to the power 3 is there. So what we can do, we can assume t raised to power 3 is equals to sum a, and later on we can substitute once again. So we are substituting this one, t cube equals to a. Then this equation will get converted to, because t cube is a, so a to the power 3 plus t cube is again a to the power 2 and equals to 36 as it is. Okay. So now our main problem is to solve this question. A cube plus a square equals to 36. So now there are many methods of solving this. Okay, this equation is cubic equation, a cube plus a square minus 36 equals to 0. So we can factorize this. We can factorize this equation. We can check by hit and trial method that in which value of a this equation will satisfy. That means, say if we'll take a equals to 0, this one will convert it to 0 plus 0 minus 36, and it is definitely not equals to 0. Again we can check a equals to 1. In 1 also 1 plus 1 minus 36, it is not equals to, obviously not equals to 0. If we'll take a equals to 2, 2 cube is 8 plus 2 square is 4, and obviously it is 12 minus 36 not equals to 0. We can check a equals to 3. 3 cube is 27 plus 3 square is 9 minus 36, and we can see that 27 plus 9 is nothing but 36 minus 36 is equals to 0. That means by hit and trial method we can check that a equals to 3 is one solution. So what we can do is, if we factorize a minus 3 with this polynomial, we can get one more factor. Okay, that is one method. So we can factorize that. How we can do? We can write the polynomial a square plus a cube plus a square minus 36, and we can write a equals to 3 means a minus 3. A equals to 3 means a minus 3 is one factor, a minus 3. Okay, so if we'll factorize this, okay, so how we'll do this? So we can see a minus 3, what we can take a square. If we'll take a square here, a minus 3 multiplied by a square will be a cube minus 3a square. Okay. Now if we'll subtract, this one get cancelled and this one will be a minus minus 3. That means plus 3. 4 a square minus 36. And if we'll take 4 here, or 4a we can see that a minus 3 into this will be, so a square plus 4a into this. So now what we can do, a minus 3 into 4a will do. So a into 4a will be 4a square, minus 3 into 4a is minus 12a. Once again we'll subtract here, So finally what we'll get? 12a minus 36. And if we'll multiply or we'll add 12 here, a into 12 is 12a, minus 3 into plus 12 is minus 36. So minus plus, it will cancel. Okay. So this can be written as a minus 3 into a square plus 4a plus 12. So what we can do now is we can write this equals to 0 as this multiplied by this equals to 0. Then we can factorize more or simplify more. So now this can be written as a minus 3 multiplied by a square plus 4a plus 12. Once again you can see the long division method, how it has been done. First of all, we have tested trial and error method, that for which value of a it satisfies for a equals to 3, and then we can factorize this via long division method, and we are getting a minus 3 multiplied by a square plus 4a plus 12 equals to this value. Now our work is simplified easily. So it is a minus 3 equals to 0 or a square plus 4a plus 12 equals to 0. Implies either a equals to 3, one value we got, or we have to simplify this one. And this is nothing but quadratic equation of the form x a square plus y a plus z equals to 0, and whose value is given by minus y plus or minus square root of y square minus 4xz whole divided by 2x. This is a quadratic equation of this form and its solution is given by this. So we have to apply this to here. So here nothing but x is 1, y is 4 and z is 12. So a will be, for our equation we'll get a as minus 4 plus or minus square root of 4 square is 16 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by z is 12 whole divided by 2 multiplied by 1. So it is nothing but 4 plus or minus 16 minus 48, which is square root of negative 32, which is a complex value. So we'll get here, if we'll take 2 common, minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2, it is 2 root 2 iota. Iota is nothing but square root of minus 1. And we are not concerned about these values because we are concerned regarding the real values. So only real value we got here is a equals to 3. Now since we have assumed, because we are concerned values of t, and we have assumed t cube equals to a and which is equals to 3. So from which, what is t? T is 3 to the power 1 by 3, or it is cube root of 3. Okay. And then we can check our answer is correct or not. We can check here. If we put t equals to cube root of 3 in our equation, that is t to the power 9 plus t to the power 6, we must get 36. Okay. So we can substitute here 3 to the power 1 by 3 whole to the power 9 plus 3 to the power 1 by 3 whole to the power 6 is nothing but 3 to the power 1 by 3 multiplied by 9, 3 to the power 1 by 3 multiplied by 6. This get cancelled. 3 3s are 3 2s are. So 3 cube plus 3 square, which is nothing but 27 plus 9, and which is nothing but 36, which is our required answer. So it is correct. Okay. So now one more method we can use for factorizing the polynomial. Okay, we have factorized by long division method. One more method I want to tell here, that is the polynomial a cube plus a square minus 36 equals to 0, which we got here. We factorize it by long division method. First of all, we have taken trial and hit and error trial method. By taking a equals to 3, we got as a equals to 3 as answer, and then we substitute a into a minus 3 into something factor of this we got, and then we proceeded. Now for factorizing this, we can directly also take some guess values here. That is, we can write 36 as nothing but 27 minus 9. Minus 27 minus 9. 36 can be written as. Now, which can be also taken as 27 to this side and 9 to other side. Just we want to factorize it in some other method. Okay. And then it is nothing but 3 cube, and it is nothing but 3 square. Okay, and then we know that what is a cube minus b cube is nothing but a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This we know, and just we have to put here. And what is a square minus b square? It is nothing but a minus b multiplied by a plus b. Just these two formulas we put here, and we'll get the similar factorization. Okay, so a cube minus b cube is nothing but a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square. And what is a square plus minus b square? Is a minus b into a plus b, which equals to 0. And then we can take common a minus 3 from both the terms, and remaining, which we will write plus 9 plus 3 is equals to 0. Sorry, here it is a plus 3, because from first term we take a square plus 3a plus 9. For second term we will take a plus 3. So we will get finally a minus 3 multiplied by a square plus 4a 9 10 and 20 plus 12 equals to 0, and which is the same factorization as we got from the long division method. And after that we have factorized this one, and we have evaluated this one, and then similarly we got a equals to 3, and finally t equals to cube root of 3. This is our final answer. So thank you. Subscribe my channel for more such content. Thank you very much.